Learn Hungarian. May I equals
Szabad.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Ready to learn with a smile? Imagine a stubborn door that only opens when you whisper.
Szabad.
Shout, and it sticks out its imaginary tongue. Whisper politely, and whoosh, open sesame. Today, you'll learn the polite key to permission in Hungarian. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll ask for permission like a pro, clear, polite, and confident. Your mission. Use
Szabad.
to ask for
Engedély.
permission. Compare it with cousins.
Lehet.
Means, is it possible? A bit impersonal.
Tudok.
Means, can I, am I able, about ability. For permission, your best friend is
Szabad.
little rhyme to lock it in.
Szabad.
Not bad, ask first, be glad. Mini dialogue on the tram. Try it in a quick scene, repeat after me. A.
Elnézést, szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Leülni.
Closing parenthesis.
Ide.
B.
Igen, szabad.
Narrator. You sit with a grateful smile. If the answer were no, you might hear.
Nem, nem szabad.
Forms and examples. Say the phrase, then add a verb in the infinitive. You've got this. May I open the window?
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Nyitni.
Closing parenthesis.
Az ablakot.
May I sit here?
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Ülni.
Closing parenthesis.
Itt.
Or more natural.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Leülni.
Closing parenthesis.
Ide.
May I ask a question?
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Kérdezni.
Closing parenthesis.
Egy kérdést.
In a museum. May I take photos here?
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Fényképezni.
Closing parenthesis.
Itt.
Opposite. It's not allowed.
Nem szabad.
Drill time. Quick call and response. Repeat the Hungarian out loud. Me. May I open the window? You.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Nyitni.
Closing parenthesis.
Az ablakot.
Me. May I sit here? You.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Leülni.
Closing parenthesis.
Ide.
Me. May I ask a question? You.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Kérdezni.
Closing parenthesis.
Egy kérdést.
Me. Is it allowed? Short answer. You.
Igen, szabad.
Or.
Nem szabad.
Culture tip. A tiny insight for big confidence. The word
Szabad.
means allowed, free, and on signs you'll often see its opposite.
Tilos.
Equals forbidden. Grammar tip. Pair.
Szabad.
With the ni form, the infinitive like.
Nyitni. Kérdezni. Leülni. Fényképezni.
And remember the nuance.
Lehet.
Equals is it possible.
Tudok.
Equals am I able.
Szabad.
Equals may I, permission. Quick quiz. Lightning round, answer aloud. Q1. How do you politely ask, may I, in Hungarian? A.
Szabad.
Q2. Which one asks about ability, not permission?
Szabad.
Or.
Tudok.
A.
Tudok.
Q3. Say, it's not allowed. A.
Nem szabad.
Q4. Turn this into Hungarian. May I take photos here? A.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Fényképezni.
Closing parenthesis.
Itt.
Fun challenge. 1-minute challenge, be bold and have fun. 1. Ask to use a pen. May I use the pen? U.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Használni.
Closing parenthesis.
A tollat.
2. Ask before opening a window dramatically. U.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Nyitni.
Closing parenthesis.
Az ablakot.
If it whooshes open, you definitely heard.
Igen, szabad.
3. Ask to sit. U.
Szabad.
Opening parenthesis.
Leülni.
Closing parenthesis.
Ide.
Remember the magic metaphor.
Szabad.
Is the polite key that unlocks social doors. Wrap up. Nice work, you did it. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Szabad.
With verbs like
Nyitni. Kérdezni. Leülni.
and celebrate every polite win with a smile. For more lessons, drills, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.
Igen, szabad.
To keep learning.